Welcome to this tutorial on the walklex command in Splunk. The walklex command stands for Walk Lexicon, and it's a powerful SPL command that allows you to examine the vocabulary of index terms for search optimization. Think of it as a way to peek inside Splunk's internal dictionaries to see what terms and fields are actually stored in your indexes. This command is particularly useful for understanding how your data is structured and for optimizing your search performance. The walklex command serves two primary functions. First, it examines tstats files, which are time series index files. These files contain terms and location references from warm and cold buckets in your Splunk indexes. Second, it helps with search optimization by allowing you to discover frequently used terms, which you can then leverage to speed up searches using the tstats command. This makes walklex an essential tool for both understanding your data structure and improving search performance. The basic syntax for the walklex command is quite straightforward. You start with a pipe symbol, followed by the walklex command, and then specify the index parameter. For example, pipe walklex index equals _internal. Since walklex is a generating command, it must be the first command in your search pipeline after the initial pipe. The index parameter tells Splunk which specific index you want to examine, and you can use wildcards to search across multiple indexes if needed. The walklex command has several important parameters that control what type of information it returns. The type parameter has three options. Type equals field returns only index fields, type equals field value returns field values, and type equals term returns all terms, which is the default behavior. For filtering, you can use the prefix parameter to find terms starting with a specific pattern, the pattern parameter to match terms with a particular pattern, and the index parameter to specify which index to examine. These parameters give you fine-grained control over your lexicon analysis. Let's look at some practical examples of using the walklex command. To find index fields in a web index, you would use pipe walklex type equals field index equals web. This returns only the field names that are indexed. Another common use case is searching for terms that start with a specific prefix, like pipe walklex prefix equals error index equals main. This helps you find all terms beginning with the word error in your main index, which is useful for troubleshooting and analysis. For more advanced analysis, you can combine walklex with statistics commands. To count field values with statistics, use pipe walklex type equals field value index equals web, then pipe it to stat sum of count by term. This gives you a count of how many times each field value appears. Similarly, you can analyze patterns by using pipe walklex pattern equals asterisk index equals _internal, followed by pipe stat sum of count by term. These combinations help you understand the distribution and frequency of terms in your data. The walklex command has two primary use cases in Splunk administration. For search optimization, it helps you discover frequently used terms, speed up stat searches, and analyze your index vocabulary. This knowledge allows you to write more efficient searches that take advantage of the most common terms in your data. For index analysis, walklex lets you examine bucket contents, review index field cardinality, and identify search patterns. Understanding these patterns helps you make informed decisions about data modeling and search strategy. Before using walklex, ensure you meet the requirements. Your user role must have the run_walklex capability, and it only works on warm and cold buckets, not hot buckets. Additionally, if your role has search filters applied, you won't be able to run walklex commands. For best practices, always use walklex in combination with stats for optimization, combine results with stats commands for better analysis, filter your results using prefix or pattern parameters to focus on relevant data, and use it to analyze high cardinality fields that might impact search performance. Following these guidelines will help you get the most value from the walklex command. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.